Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy socially responsible investing with Rowe Price. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing socially responsibly with Rowe Price, start by visiting their website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Rowe Price account. Navigate to the investment options section. Look for the socially responsible investing category. Review the available funds that align with your values. Click on each fund to read its overview and investment strategy. Take note of the fund's performance history and fees. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Select the funds that resonate most with your investment philosophy. Add the selected funds to your portfolio. Determine the amount you wish to invest in each fund. Review your investment selection and total allocation. Proceed to the funding section to link your bank account. Choose your preferred funding method, whether by bank transfer or other means. Confirm your investment decisions and complete your transaction. Monitor your investments regularly through your account dashboard. Stay informed about market trends and reports related to socially responsible investments. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on performance and personal values. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.